Kevin, this is Alvin Heron. I decided to go ahead and make this little video to show you what I'm talking about. I have trouble typing what I want to say sometimes to make you understand it, so I'm doing this video so you can see what I was trying to tell you. This little triangle up here, that's your action panel. You click on that to open your actions up. If you don't have that triangle, you don't see it, you come over here to Window, come down to Actions and click on Actions. You'll get that action panel. We're not going to make any actions right now. I just want to show you where the panel is at. If you do want to make an action, you click on this folder first. You type in your action name. We'll say Kevin. Click OK. Now you've got a folder to put your action in. And we'll come over into this little plus sign right here, this new layer. Click on it, and your action name will be this save sports. And it's going to be in the set called Kevin. You click record, and that little red light's on right there. That means that the action recorded every move you make from that point on. To stop it, you click here. That stops that action. So we're going to leave the action and go to bridge. But first, before we do, if you decide to try to make an action, they're really aggravating to make at times. If you want to move up a layer, mash your Alt button and your left bracket key to move up a layer. If you want to move down a layer, mash your Alt button and your right bracket key to move down. If you don't do that, if you just select the layer, then when you run the action, if the layer is named a different name than what it was when you made the action, it won't find that layer. So always use the Alt and bracket keys moving up and down the layers. Alright, we're going to close Photoshop and go into Bridge. Alright, I want to run those actions on two of these pictures here, two of these thumbnails here. To select them, if you click on the first one, hold down Shift at the end, it'll select all of them. But I don't want all of them. All I want to do is do the first one and the last one. So I'll click on the first one, hold down Control instead of Shift, and click on the third one. That Control lets you pick individual pictures. So if you got 50 thumbnails out there and only want 4 and they're not together, use Control to get there. You come up to Tools, click on Tools, come down to Photoshop, select Batch, and it's going to open Photoshop back up. Takes a minute for Photoshop to open back up when you're doing that. I'll see the Batch dialog box come up now. First thing up here says Set, and it says Default Actions. Now the set we want is Wedding Judy. So we click on that, and then I want to crop to 5:7. So I'll click on 5:7. Destinations are to a folder, and I can choose right here what folder I want to go into. Alright, I'm going to go to Pictures, and I'm going to right click, put a new folder, and put Show Kevin. Alright, that's where I'm going to save the pictures to, so I'll hit Select. Now, when it names the pictures, it's going to be a 3-digit serial number. See this up here, it's a 3-digit serial number, the extension. I'm going to leave all these boxes unchecked and leave Override Action Save As commands. Leave that unchecked. I don't never check that. Alright, now we're ready to run the action. Click OK. Now it's going to open the first picture up in Camera Raw. There it is in Camera Raw. I got it set up so it'll go ahead and make auto adjustments to it. But if yours makes auto adjustments, you don't like it, just click on auto again and it resets everything. So I'm going to click auto. I'm going to bring the vibrance up a little bit, bring the contrast up a little bit. Say I like that, I hit open. Now it's going to go to my crop menu, my crop. See, Yeah, I said we were gonna go 5x7. See up here, we got 5x7 crop up here at the top. So I adjust my crop, get it like I want it. Click the check mark up top. Now we're gonna go to sharpening action. We're sharpening now. This is a high pass filter. You bring it up, sharpen more, that's too much. Bring it down to sharpen less. We'll say right about that looks pretty good. We'll click OK. Now it's going to save the photo. So it's going to Show Kevin folder up here. So it says Show Kevin 001 JPEG. Click Save. This preview tells you what size the picture is. That's a 10.3 megabyte picture. If I want to reduce the size, I slide the slider down. Now it's a 2.2 megabyte picture. But going down even more, it's a 1.2 megabyte there, but I want to keep full size for print, so I click OK. Now it's going to that second picture we selected and opening it in Camera Raw. It already made the adjustments for me. I like them all. I'm going to click Open. Then we go again into the crop menu. Crop the picture down like we want it. Hit the check box. There's your high pass filter back up. Now this picture was taken in the same room with the same camera, so I'm going to leave the sharpness same amount. Click OK. I'm going to save it here. See it's 002 now, the JPEG. Click Save. That's an 8.2 megabyte picture. Click OK. That completes the action. Now, see what we got. We go to my pictures. Show Kevin right here. There's the two pictures that we worked on right there. Already ready to be printed. 101, 102. If you wanted to rename them, instead of using 101, 102, all you have to do is highlight that 101 and type in the new name. And do that each time. This action, if it'll help you out, if this is something like you need, let me know and I'll send me your email in a private message and I'll email you the action and you can use it. All you have to do is download it, double click on it, it'll load into Photoshop for you automatically and open Photoshop up when it loads. So don't have Photoshop open, have it closed and just double click on it. But if you want it, just email and let me know and I'll send them to you. Good luck.